Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a cast on. Most stitches will require a cast on for the beginning of your project. Today I'm using a yarn that's medium 4, and also the needle I'm using is a US 13. So first you want to make sure that the tail of the yarn, you bring it out to whatever length that you might need for the number of cast-ons for that project. So in my left hand is the tail, the right hand is connected to the ball of yarn. So first you take the string and you wrap it around and you bring it over, kind of like making almost like a knot. But you bring this part through. And you want to make like a little loop. Next, you take your needle and you slip it through, and you'll pull the one side that's connected to the yarn, the ball of yarn, and that will tighten it. So once you have this area tightened, you keep the top part as the ball of yarn, and the bottom part is the tail of it. So next you want to take your thumb and your first finger through these, and then take your bottom two fingers and kind of hold them together. So this will kind of make like a diamond shape. Next you want to bring down the yarn, and you want to go under the yarn, and then bring it up, and then grab the yarn around the finger, and then you want to bring it back through, and then pull the tail part, and then just make it snug to the needle. So again, make like your diamond shape, bring this down and bring it through by your thumb, and make sure it goes over and around the yarn of your finger, and then back through the loop, and then pull the tail in and just make it snug. So I'm going to make a few more. And you'll see here, it'll have like at the bottom area, it'll have like a braided design. Okay. So see at the bottom, when you spread them apart, it gives like a braid. So that will be the nice edging to the beginning of your stitch, of your project.